If you are working on a React project in VS Code, then one extension can really help you doing the things very faster. For example, if you want to create the component, you can write this particular prefix rafce, and you can see that it is going to create the React arrow function component with ES7 model system. So if I press enter, you can see that it has created this component for us. So all the boilerplate code is generated. So if you want to create the component in a fresh file, this is really useful. And you can just update these details, like whatever code you want to write, you can update that, but rest of the stuff is created using this snippet. And if you want to use this snippet, you will have to first install the extension, and that extension is, if I go here in the extensions panel, you will see that extension name under the installed section. So you can see this is the extension that I have installed, ES7 plus React Redux React Native snippets. So if you install this one, you can create the components, and there are a lot of other shortcuts that you can use, or the snippets are available that you can use, and then write the code in much faster way. So if I go to the repository, you will find all the abbreviations that can be used to create the snippets. So here they have given the snippets information. So if you just type imp, it is gonna create this particular code for us. And similarly, there are a lot of other abbreviations that they have created. So if you want to create this particular code, just type FRE, that's it. So I'm just going to try this, FRE, and if I hit enter, you can see that code is generated using that particular extension. So whatever is useful for you, you can use that. So you can see that in the React section they are given, there are a lot of other abbreviations are available. So most of the times you have to do like console.log, so you can use these extensions CLG or CLO, CLJ. There are different variations there. And a React component, so if you want to create this particular component, just type RCC. So I'm just going to type RCC. And if sometimes this particular list is not appearing, you have to press Ctrl and spacebar on your keyboard, and then it should appear. And then you can just click this, and then component is generated for you. So you can refer this documentation to know more about these prefixes or the abbreviations that are available as part of this particular extension. Thank you for watching.